The entire bike was packed quite well. All the individual components were individually packed and kept nicely, so there was no damage to it in transit. The assembly itself did not take long. It took me about 20 minutes to assemble the whole bike and put it together. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be checking out an amazing bike for daily commute under 15,000 rupees. Vector91 is a part of Outdoor 91, and well, they have got some nice bikes for us. This is one of those bikes, the steel frame bike, and is nicely specced out. So let's start with the drivetrain. The drivetrain of this bike is a 21 speed. The 7-speed freewheel at the back has an L2 derailleur. The 3 cranks in the front also has an L2 derailleur. For your braking purposes, the front has a 160mm mechanical disc brake. But there is provision at the back to upgrade to a disc brake in future. The handlebar on this bike is a 600mm and is mounted on a 65mm riser stem. The brakes and gear shifters are on separate units. On the front, there's a coil suspension. This does not have a lockout or a load adjuster. The 27.5-inch tires are mounted on alloy rims. Plastic flat pedals are standard as a single accessory mounting point. The 21-speed drivetrain of this bike gives you a nice wide range and makes it comfortable if you're going uphill or down a slope too. Either way, you get an adequate range on the drivetrain that you are comfortable cycling. The L2 derailleurs do have an issue with needing adjustment out of the box. So I'm going to be showing you guys a video on how to do this on Saturday. It's a dedicated video to help you understand and tune your L2 gears. The front suspension, though does not have a lockout or a load adjuster, offers you good riding comfort. I have used this on bad roads and normal roads too, and I found that it does give that little bit of comfort which helps you have a comfortable ride. When it comes to braking, the combination of a disc brake and a V-brake does give you adequate stopping power. The handlebar, though only 600mm, is quite adequate. I found that it is more than enough if you're doing your regular commutes and normal riding. When it comes to rider comfort, so seat on this bike is nice, soft yet firm. So if you're just starting off riding, you will enjoy that little bit of comfort and help you stay comfortable for a longer period of time on the bike. The pedals on this bike is designed for commuters. So irrespective of whether you're wearing formal shoes or sports shoes, this is going to give you adequate grip and comfort to ride wherever you want. Guys, if you're interested in buying this bike, there's going to be a limited time offer of a lower price. Check out the pricing in the description below. I'm sharing a buying link. You can go there and buy it. This is a limited time offer. So if you guys want a good bike at an awesome price, check out the link and buy it today. Well guys, that's it for now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do share with your friends. Until next time, safe ride everyone.